Watu ya kwa museo. Wewe ni museo. Babi naonde. Nasino umbo wake. Ndajuka. Munde muzanya munene. Ndo achabeke. Ane anda mura beka tumi. Kana with the trail. Yono mwe kuona sia tando. Bae adoni igba yende nulu achapa. Wae kule. Bae su mosie kinuke kitwa title 1963. Na mosa title 1963 mabingwa benki. Benki sio onde nisio. Na matume ambeza sia serikali kubingwa benki makaenenga ambeza na maitunga. Ile Mungu wena. Me title na me benki na mbeza sia serikali ilika benki hizo. Na mezala ya dokumi ilika benki hizo. Yo ibi tu benki hizo. Kuna wezi muno.
Sabiki.
Yue mwane ndi moza title TV. Maendeleo make sio kitu. Yune nena on behalf of mbayo nana kama kuwe. Tile lula tukwaka. Tisi vitali la tukwaka. Kendo kila jambe kila mo embwena. Kendo ke maketa ana Kiswahili. Cheti cha liki. Mukadhima kwani ma succession. Ekamu weta succession ko team. Mwenda mukethi andu miongwena mekuwania kitheka cha 8th of an egg. Andu bagu miongwena. Na wazisia title ya 1975. Manengi title. Nyinji simba ino zikia succession. Na iko tuyani makanisa. Edi. Makanisa. Ine no muta bya andwa deme odie tu. Nondo you easy ande mekwati ya muno omathe ndo odie tu. Paiki no kita wana kizungu contradiction. Obozete odie tu ne na isi abandi wendo jiwa nasio. This is not possible. Nicho kitumi ona tuzika na thukumie we mwingi jika SGR. Kindu kila cha tuthini cia tuzika mutambo woja was succession. Succession ya thinandi. Ndia ndo tusobye court ilaje kikima kilungu ilengele matiliku. Imona ndimanda mawakiliwe aye. Nienda mbaino idhengeane na kodi situ. Nundo succession dhika wa kodi. Dhika wa musi. Na succession process zitindaza. Kodi yenda wa manyai. Mundu la weti atiye aho. Chief aliandika barua. Na mwenyosa burial permit na death certificate. Si tungianiwa na sitoka koti. Andwala maandikiwe kamo matiwe matheiwa amba mwandu 10 matheiwa na andwele maungamie chao kiku. Andwala maungamie kiku timo matwika ene kithe matwika trustees mandwalangi. Mwaemwa andwala matiwe 10 maitwika nemo administrators meondo. Na mwaemwa kwana isiendo. Mwana andika ithekani 3 siana onduna mwenda amwe 10 mukandenga koti mwanya yani kithekacho mwaemwa. Na nikete makwani matsinduzo na ninezi. And it is possible. Okay, there kitheka cha 50 by 100 kina title. Icho kitumi do wa itheka sito win them. Tuzika ekwani za twake twayamani we morona survey ya umete baya yolokwa ngoka kilongo chomwe Tuemani ofisi wa jijini wa Mara nundu aendie andika itheka cia twake. Aendie akulwa itheka cia twake cia leta kwa mbesa cia ni serikali anenge tu ugusu. Na aenda aekia value ya 50,000 per acre. Akulwa wiki oneki ndio gula leo. Asia anaendi recording cia lands area akamba mawangi theka 5,000 3,000 2,000 kuda 50 wewe emba ekite kimu kilele muno pyo na mkude ko wendia mutu agumba we mzee pe andu mewie kana lapset ne kwa lamu mamanya serikali ende kweka mubangozo manse mama waitheka na mamba tia tho watu ika 2 million na imo megedo simbuzo. So wana tuyatia tumeke mubango wa titling na planning. Nye ndiona wanatuzika planning. Pe mwetu minie ya naba mkin uwe ono vela. Mwishimu mangangi bazu. Mwena vena ingi. Nombaka ubudhika on a planning. Nombaka muti ya lelo. It's important. Whether peo chao, peo lelo. Tunadhiki administrator ongewa nyunzu the other day. Ngalisia premise onasiana ilasi ngalikwesu. Siezoli kama skulu wesu numbasisia skulu zilika. Mundu ailika owa mini. Nomba kakuni mundu yawe ngalikweya mkule ni wabika ambetela ngalila yekweya. We cannot make progress. Tambai today is in your sindonini. Ailelo niwo weta stima weta akivu na success. So part of kinugila to kweka you na nikitumikila na mbeyo na kanisa. Nwezi nizita bishop wa niambia nenyu. Niambia na makanisa deliberately. Nikienda mwe andu maitu kana sindui tuambie na siende nisi amote. Sia hotel yende nikienda wena kindu utonya kwika lancho ni security yako na security ya siana siana na nzukulu siana. It's a protection twendo munene nikienda kindu kikoka later numutonya kwamba mwena records sia kwa sia kindu kini chako pe project ya makindu ya mbesa mbingi muno mete lungu kiwu chenzio kwa mundu etikela chenzwa na yuno batete community kiwu pe omwe wathukuma ona andwa ambilu wekiwe tangi kwake na no lete ajo yes. So again mutavie as a direction, please executive members, the law requires that every contract on land must be in writing. Mundu asiane wanengana hafa neka matambia 10 ozai ebuku ya karatasi brand ero na ndiane kwa goya muandike yemwe na ngusi na mweke auzo hatumia kweka huko there will be a record and then you leave the rest to Department of Lands nikenda with the manenga na chao ideka. Why do we want to do so? No kindo cho senyu makindo de title wote de title mundu wagie nyumba de title au kuya kungi oitambia limu mundu de title yake. So we want to empower this community. Empowerment. I think why this is historical for me. Historically, na nimutapia neke na mumanya kielelo chako chumeta. Idha kwa aendie kusoma ukili. Nunde mawe na wakithekane chief. Mambo. Enda usoma atuweke wakili neke na asile Makueni. Mautetea andu. Maibena andu idheka. Kunde ne ane siendu izu sia utetea andu na idheka sio. So it is in my mind. Tudhikia bengi yetu wa KCB kikima. The first thing managers who are going simu in 1 week ambeye and amen ambesa lakini maina title deed. And that is why title deed imwe si anenganiwe at that time. So nienda utungia mubea. So I've just discovered your company ndinezi mukamanezi we Masai kana Musamburu. But I knew we have a good registrar. No, no, I have the experience of the past, the problems we are having, together with the director, survey. Nyenienda, Wazir, Nicholas, and your team. Please treat registrar also Nanduma planning as if they are part of this government. Because I know, with them, working with them, we are going to secure these people of Makueni in terms of the documents they require. The second thing I want, and county attorney is here, and I call the CEO. Those who understand the law understand that beneficiaries. When Daumanya secret ya kidega chako, there is a search na green card. So, CEO, please make sure that we give out title deeds that we nenga mundu chao green card. And alama vena na ideka and register, you know what they do is interfere with the green card. Mautia ukuite kalangu. Na green card they end up registering. Green card ni yo security yako. Ya umanya kideka chako kina record ya registrar one. Can have a seat. Nine ndiyo manyuno nube mundu unosi malili andu mandeno mweboja oza githeka cha public malili na ane wa title masako na athi kotini atwa the wrong title ane wa injunction akuwa andu malili. See, it's true. And he was carrying a fake title deed. Nama atume askali maumi andoazi. Nini na ungabisi kendu chu piu. Na kuma na ungabia ndazi wako. Kile ka chali temba ne 50 by 100 and get 42 acres. It's on the road. Na record izungumea green card was not even available Masako. You mundu malili so. Na title anaoze ye Masako. So, Department of Lands, ekwani yu newe ya mundu suwa salama. Amba iko iki ya kosho ya Makueni County. Na siya kesi baadaye. When it comes to public land, tutafanya kesi baadaye. Kwanza funga hiyo title. Tuulizane alitoa wapi. Na mundu na munengi title isu embaye ba Makueni. Amanye nake ni deal nake perpendicularly, horizontally and any other way. How? And I don't know, mate. It's not possible. So, Chairman, by 30th of June, for the CBD, we'll give letters of allotment for people of Water. Alama kikema 206 titles, plots. Na ilasi anungune 104 allotment letters in 60 days. Survey ya kadhonzweni na mtito ande niende nikanatu nengane again titles for those two markets in collaboration na national lands pay informal settlement the Pandoveta wa Sokomjinga 157 parcels Sokomjinga Emali 349 in Mjini Kibwezi and 410 parcels in Msongene Makendo. We are ready to table this plan at the county assembly for approval to facilitate issuance of titles. Again, this is a donor-funded project. Katokala Terema, please. We have 280 titles. Siango, they are ready. Nanasia title Waziri, when you want to issue titles in Ngo, Luganenganepa and Ago. There's a reason. Successively, people sell their pieces of land. And they know when we are issuing titles. Na title is human, the first person. nake aileo tabania ganane wate to number 2 and 3 na yosa title adhia. When you do it in public, it becomes easier for people to say kitheka kene cha tewe kibendwe. That's what we should do. Titles here Kenyo 2075 and another 3,500 in Kaungune. Wow. And 758 in Kadekane B, we will issue in and they are ready. Nituati kitheka cha dua anduma theni we mono meta wangu kakika. We are pursuing 381 acres manenge twene dua nikenda tu plambo seto andwala ma theni we ngainde thia nene kwati ebalwa okio yo nugo KWS ne yetikile kututwila kitheka ngine tuambaye ka public participation manenga nete so far tutambeta kubagain 13,860 hectares for human settlement. That is equivalent to 36,000 acres in Engwe Enende. Na tuimatia 7,291 hectares for conservation. Department of Lands, Department of Devolution, and Walangi, Maungame Tourism. That is something I want done quickly. Let's not leave this out. No, that's a huge piece of land. And Kiboko B beneficiaries will be verified on 30th of June, by 30th of June, and we will do it with you, Madam So. That titles again, here Kiboko B Sure. Nienda again with the collaboration of yourselves, Ministry of Lands, Department of Lands. And I'm a kilo moka kweka saji wateniki. Kana ndola mekonza. We should make it possible with you for people to do searches and buy these maps in Muka. I want those records transferred. Order to net titles here konza siya from Machakos. Similarly, waziri, we should ensure that I'm marking those records here konza go to Muka. People should do their work there. Let's save them the work of coming to water, and then I'll reduce the traffic that comes here. Similarly, with the maps are available. It's because the maps, people keep producing maps. When we give people titles, let's give them certified maps. Help us, so that then they know the exact measurements and where it is. Maps. These maps are being changed. We are going to finish the completion and submission of the local physical plan for Makendo, in a crucial step towards providing 5,000 plot owners with their title deeds. As a demonstration of one government approach, the Department of Lands, in collaboration with Water, Agriculture and Health, will ensure the vital public utilities are taken away from land grabbing. Na good examples, Izumwa wetu, Ndoko Madam, Makueni ATC kwa kadhoka pa, tuinezi kitheka chuni kitu 100 acres. Kitheka kitu tunatina tuikule ni kitheka kini cha tuatia record whether kitheka chu nja Makueni. I now have the custody of the title deed. Pela guneva pa itina sivitali au behind uno nayo nenedi kwa mundu wosete a title deed nenayo. It belongs to the county government of Makueni. In our letter about transferring these maps na records and I still want registrar, so we have some missing link with the Kibwezi land office. This is just something that is, and the adjudication office in Kibwezi. I need us to sit down with the department so that the Kibwezi land office and adjudication office is in tandem with the work we are doing. We are not working in competition or in contradiction. That is the reason why there was a problem with the Kaunguni land. So please help us together with your team. You can always then, when I request for records, those records are available. When, for example, we did the Q area, that wetland, the documents are flying from left, right, center, up, north, south. And I'm being sent by the PS. Anasema angalia governor, shamba hili ilipatiwa sijui somebody from Kilungu, shamba hili imepatiwa somebody from Kitui. Now we have already told the head of state, these are the affected persons. Documents are popping from everywhere. There is a problem, and please help us so that we can solve this problem. I wish to extend my appreciation to all stakeholders, to you, Madam Saul, National Land Commission, Makueni Land Registry, County Treasury, for the work you are doing. Nienda, with the help department, we have paid the beneficiaries of Kwambila Dam. We have two dams that their beneficiaries have waited since 1984. Could you please ensure that can we scale up some of these things so the National Land Commission can activate? The reason we cannot use the dam, Manoni, and the people of Makueni and Biti are suffering is because the project affected persons, and nothing is happening. Speaker Mbilo tried sorting this issue, but it also had bottlenecks beyond belief. Speaker, you remember. And even the part of the plans, you were in the task force. So, Waziri, please help us in ensuring that the people of Manoni get their titles. As we celebrate this significant achievement, let me reaffirm to all of you, people of Makueni, our commitment to upholding principle of justice, fairness, and inclusivity in land administration. Let us continue working together to ensure that the people of Makueni enjoy the fruits of devolution. You know it, our devolution. Ensuring that Kindumundu Wale services a quarter at the lowest possible place. People should not suffer. And you, we them, never, at all. You know, this is amazing. Ora Makueni maivito na asi. Makueni meta mia. Ona kibeti chatu akila ngikira akibia. Kiweto. Kiweto. Nazi la divorce ya maweto. Awaiki ndunesi. Ko emone tuende othetha na muka kwatana. Both the churches we can help. No, tutume your congregation. Tukatuma either registrars, tukatuma surveyors. Ekito tumina mona ni na surveyors. Na surveyors ni mebida amuno. Na mona nige ndamu manyanando masilikali. Sa ingine mebida ama kwa sombesa maka mwiki ya to survey na boimaiva na majiki ya mungu. Kona wetake mode na. That's the reason I want them to see. But we have also said, and Speaker, you can help us, and together with the members and the chairman, that even for both public and private, we can put a collaboration. Even the people who are doing private surveys can use our team and pay. That's the sort of collaboration I'm looking for. In the finance bill, chairman lands, tuhakikishie hiyo itafanyika so that watu waache kupata shida. Noni waititu tu amuimpichi ndo akosa kizeka chamu. Bindu ana yake beti chake. Enoki ndo gavana waititu enoki ndo wena a widow, a piece of land na anengamuka. Na muka tuoka mbunge amule. Kwanza tu amuimpichi times 2 ndo ole amuka. Nenda kudhudia andola mena ideka. Peke ndo tuita na kisungu. For this legal advice, nimba na kwa hata fee note, lakini nunu manjuvia ukile gani mutaji. Kita wa gift intervivals. A parent can gift out their properties. Meodha. Okay, let me tell you what. I think another is Mateso will speak. Gift intervivals. you don't have to transfer. Lakini naoma tuile. Gift intervivals no there. No, a lot of the people pay mundo chuna temangie brother wange. No bang straight. Now once he second it's of very little consequence to litmus paper and other things. So even when you have a congregation, please tell your congregants, no, mama kuwan. And other me kuwan ya ideka moka when you chu wachu. Na lame utemanga na kuna na ange mai manda aoi. Moka wachu ne. Na yumian them. Na mai kuna kusukusu after that. I think that is something we can do. Department of Lands. The court is an integral part, and please, with county attorney, please help us. We can sit with the magistrates, Alame, Kilungu, Tawa, Pangiwa, Makendo. We can sit with them, find a method in collaboration. Because the succession itself. And then, Wakili, you can help us. Can we find 10 lawyers from Makueni? 10. Who we can task to do pro bono work. And legal aid. Either to make you water or someplace. Makate the Asiando quicker succession, and it is possible. And you're very senior lawyers here, and very good judges. And we can bring in Justice Macau, Onesmus. We can bring in the judge from Boni. We can bring in the Chief Justice. And we can bring even stakeholders. But to tell this here with this succession, I think if we call us medical camps, because a legal aid camp for those people with succession, we can help them. Maybe go desk chief, desk affidavits. To them, even if we are going to get a reasonable fee, county attorney, could you please help us with that? Because you the succession. We can do that. And then we use our courts around Makueni to help people get their succession cases done. We can even do this. No, it's possible. And why you court in prisons? Because in Makueni, you don't do na court in Neklaka, Jaji, na Mundula Guanigazin. Is your court? Court is even a muena. Negagazin, do you to Gabingua social old one, Makakasin? And in the Medina, I go to a Somi, may I know on them. They know I'm going to end up a professor, my law, Nanini. And people are suffering as if there are no lawyers here. A county attorney, think about it. Even if we put some little resources to it, I think we can help the people of Makueni do succession. We have halls, we have places, we have paper, we have printers. Let's help. And I hope. Title deed, ito mwenyewe. Mandaiba la muki. Mandaiba la muki kana. Gewezu ya kuyazili masando kono. Na mwevingo na kibuli. Sindu izuma aye. Eka iya ndo alangi mwenge. Nyuma ndo asomu mama. Kuna zidu zidi. Let the custody of these documents be well documented. Secretary, the way you title deed the kanisa, the mwavi KCB, mwavi it's a documents here. And by the way, you can even pass a resolution. It's not a lot of money. We have these documents in a safe custody. Ni ya nyumba, ni ya nyumba ya hivyo. Kana nyumba yetu tunaweza ndo kuziikua. Tigo. There have even been robberies in churches. At a very small fee, you can keep these documents very safe. And ni mwende ose. Mwende ose. Asante.
Asante sana, Your Excellency. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Allow me, sir, with